Okay, I got a recipe from Alonda Hipkins, and her grandmother used to make her a cherry cream pie, but it was a custard pie with cherries in it. So I found a recipe. She said it sounded a lot like it, except her grandmother didn't use cinnamon in her pie. So we're going to put this together and get it in the oven today. The name of it, instead of cherry cream pie, is cherry Kuchen pie, which is a German name for cake. So this may be a German recipe. So if you're German and you've had this before, let us know. And if your grandmother made a cherry cream pie like this, let us know, because most of the cherry cream pies that I found, of course, they have Eagle brand milk and or cream cheese or something like that in them. But this is just simple ingredients. It sounds really good. So let's get started. All right, we're going to start out with a can of sour red cherries, red tart cherries. And you're just going to open the cherries and you're going to drain them. And then once they're drained, you're going to put them in your pie shell. And just get them evenly in the bottom of the pie shell. And now we're going to put together our cream mixture, pour over the top, and get this in the oven. It's a super easy pie to make. Our kitty's in here playing somewhere. So we are going to take a couple of eggs and we're going to whisk them a little bit. We're going to add in some sugar. It's just a half cup of sugar. Their recipe didn't call for vanilla, but I'm going to add a little vanilla to it. Now we're going to put in a rounded teaspoon of flour. It looks pretty rounded to me, don't you? Go ahead and beat that in real good with your whisk, because this is a cream pie and you don't want it to be lumpy. So get that mixed in there really good. Now all we got left is some sour cream. So you're going to use 8 ounces of sour cream. Which is a cup of sour cream. And now you're just going to mix this together good. And this forms a custard pie. Simple dimple. Look how easy that was to make, y'all. Super easy to make. And now all we got to do is pour it over the top of our cherries and get it in the oven. Make sure you get it all. Because this is I have a 9-inch pie plate. It's just a standard 9-inch pie. Boy, that smells good. It smells so good already. I bet this is going to be delicious. Now, let me tell you guys this. I'm using a refrigerated pie crust today. And if you choose to make a homemade pie crust, remember, a lot of you say that your pie crusts will shrink or go into the bottom of the pie plate. For one, you need a pie plate with a lip on it. These pretty fancy pie plates do not do very good with your crusts, because you can't give the crust something to sit on the edge. So keep that in mind. Another thing that's a huge important thing to do is when you make a homemade pie crust, don't ever roll it out and put it in a pie plate until you've refrigerated it at least 30 minutes. So roll it up in a ball, cover it with some plastic wrap, get it in the refrigerator, and do not use it for at least 30 minutes. And that will also help it, the gluten in it, do right so that it doesn't draw up in the oven, okay? We're going to get this in the oven and bake it at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. here is our cherry cream. It looks really delicious. It's a beautiful color. And so we're going to let it cool down. And then once it gets nice and cool, we will cut us a slice and give it a try. All right, let's try Yolanda's pie. It looks delicious and creamy. That looks really good. So I'm going to cut it with a knife to start with, and then I'll lift it out of here with a serving spatula. Okay, y'all. My cherries are a little bit wet, so I think when you drain your cherries, I let them sit out and continue to drain for about 30 minutes before I put this pie together. And I really think because of the bottom of the pie, it's really kind of wet and kind of soggy, I believe I would do a pre-bake pie crust. So in the instructions, I'm going to tell you to pre-bake the pie crust and make sure you drain those cherries for at least 30 minutes. But it's an outstanding, delicious cherry pie. Looks good. Crust looks flaky. Looks delicious. Let's give it a try. It's definitely a custard pie. That's delicious. That's so good. Y'all, that is really delicious. And it was so easy to make. It's a lot like cheesecake, believe it or not, because the sour cream makes it have a cheesecake flavor. That is really, really good. I'm so glad that you sent me your recipe. Yolanda actually asked for this recipe before Leanne visited y'all. And so I was just super excited to give it a try because me and Chris love cherry anything, don't we, Chris?
Good.
Yes. You want to try it, Chris?
Yeah, I'll try.
I mean, these are new recipes.
It's real pretty pie too, isn't it? 'Cause
Yes.
You got that yellow and wow. Yeah, that's really good, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And definitely a custard.